Today we're going to be taking apart a console from a 2003 Chevy. We're going to start by removing this screw, that one, and that one, and that one. We're going to take out the 4 screws that hold this whole black piece on. To get the 2 screws down here out, we had to tip this all the way down.
So now we're going to continue to remove all the screws that hold this big back piece on.
We can't get this second one out until we get this whole box out because you have to come up from under. This thing is in the way. Next, we're gonna take the cup holder out. We're gonna start removing the screws from this black thing to see if we can get the whole thing just to slide right off.
So I'm going to get this wire kind of moved out of all these spots in here.
Okay, so now we're gonna pull this whole black piece off. I have to take off this whole bracket so I can take this gray box off so we can unhook the wire, and we'll take that gray box.
There it goes. Oh, I think it was 2 additional screws we had to do to get this thing out. They're kind of hidden. There was one right here and one over here.
So that's how we disassembled our 2003 Chevy console. Thanks for watching!